Hey singers, ever noticed a breathy quality when you sing? Well, today I'm going to be diving into what causes a breathy voice, why it might not be the most ideal for your vocal health, and then I'm going to give you 2 game-changing exercises to really help you achieve that clear and resonant tone. So let's start with some vocal anatomy. Now, our vocal cords or vocal folds, they vibrate to produce sound, and when they come together completely, they create a clear and resonant tone, and this is called good vocal cord closure. But when the vocal cords don't come together fully, more air escapes through them, and then that means that you're going to get a bit more of that breathier, kind of airy sound. Now, this is not always a bad thing. It's not a bad thing when it comes to stylistic purposes. That breathy tone can be really great when used in moderation, but if you're producing a breathy tone and you're doing that because it's your only option, then this can be problematic. Why? Because excessive air pressure can tire out the voice quicker, really just leading to vocal fatigue, and your voice will also lack that power and that projection. There'll be a lack of resonance in your voice, and then over time, singing breathy can really strain the vocal cords. So those are the reasons why. That's why we want to try and move away from just being breathy if it's our only option. We want to add more tools into our singing toolbox. We want more tools to pull from when we're singing so that we can balance out the voice. All right, so now let's do these exercises that are really going to help to achieve better vocal cord closure so that you can get that clear and resonant tone. So the first exercise we're going to do is the nay, 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 and we're going to use a really playful, slightly exaggerated tone on the nay, 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 and we're just going to go up and down our vocal range. So you want to keep the tone bright and a little bit nasal because this is going to encourage the vocal cords to come together. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. And then as you get used to it, I want you to make it less nasal and see if you can keep that vocal cord closure. But let's take this one to the scale and see where we end up. Nay, 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 nay.
So I want you to gradually make your tone less nasal while maintaining the cord closure.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Keep it slightly playful,
Nay, 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 nay.
trying to stay as relaxed as possible.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Good.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay,
We're
nay,
almost
nay,
done.
nay, nay. Nay,
Well
nay,
done.
nay. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is the edgy ah, ah, ah. And we're basically going to be adding cry and creak into the voice in order to get the vocal cords to come together better with this one. But I want you to get used to saying it before we take it to the scale. And it goes like this. Ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. Ah. Ah, 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 ah. Ah. You can hear that cry. Ah, and creak in my voice. Ah. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, ah, ah. So make sure you're comfortable with it by just saying it, and then we'll take it to the scale.
Good. Really exaggerate that creaky cry. Really forward in the mask of the face. Keeping it nice and relaxed as we ascend. It's a small coordination. It doesn't need to be big. Good. And we're almost done. Well done.
So practicing these exercises consistently will train your vocal cords to come together better, really just cutting down on that excessive breathiness in your voice. Now remember, achieving a balanced voice where your voice can switch between tones is key. You know, I'm not demonizing the breathy tone. I love a breathy tone, but I'm just emphasizing the importance of flexibility. A clear voice equals power, volume, and longevity, so keep practicing. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with anyone you feel is going to find this video beneficial. And if you're interested in working with me, you can book a free vocal exploration session with me. We can jump on a call and have a chat and see how I can help you, and the link is below for that. And that's pretty much it from me. Until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.